For decades, research meant a series of targeted queries on a search engine. Now, that process happens through a centralized conversation with an AI. This creates a specific risk. When a machine produces a complete, grammatically perfect summary in seconds, students can bypass the actual effort of synthesis and simply accept the first draft provided. The critical AI research framework provides a methodical way to prevent this, ensuring students use these tools to provoke new ideas and verify evidence while following academic standards. By structuring the assignment this way, we ensure the student's own logic remains the source of the final work. We begin with the Wikipedia rule. AI is a tool for building a high-level mental map of a subject, but it cannot be cited as a reliable authority. This funnel illustrates the workflow. At the wide top section, a student asks AI for an overview of cellular respiration. Moving to the narrow verification stage, they enter a restricted zone. The AI provides a map, but all facts must come from verified academic sources. The student uses the tool to build the map, but they must independently navigate the territory. In humanities, we prevent AI from acting as a ghostwriter by introducing the Socratic prompt. The student gives the machine specific constraints. They type the command, act as a Socratic mentor, do not write the essay, ask me one question at a time to help develop my thesis. This creates an environment of friction. Because the AI is forbidden from providing answers, the student must defend their claims and refine their logic through a continuous back and forth. This shift in dynamics ensures the machine only facilitates the inquiry, while the human performs the actual analytical work. Even with a strong argument, we still face the problem of hallucinations. These models can present inaccurate historical dates or events with total confidence and perfect grammar. We address this with the rule of two, a verification protocol for every factual claim the AI makes. This image shows factory labor during the Industrial Revolution. If an AI provides a specific detail about child labor laws or factory shift hours, the student cannot accept it yet. They must take that detail and find corroboration in at least 2 reputable academic databases. The AI's output is treated as a hypothesis, a starting point that requires external validation before it can be trusted. Transparency is the most effective way to address the ethics of these tools. We make disclosure a mandatory graded part of the rubric. Every submission must include an appendix containing the full chat log. This provides a transcript of the brainstorming process. This checklist shows how to evaluate logs. We check if the student accepted the first answer, maintained their own voice, and performed the actual analysis. If the transcript reveals that the student offloaded the thinking to the machine, the teacher has the evidence needed to intervene. Mandatory disclosure creates an auditable record of the student's learning journey. The framework rests on 4 pillars: using AI for context, employing Socratic dialogue for arguments, verifying facts, and requiring full disclosure. For your next assignment, ask your students to submit their Socratic chat history alongside their first draft. Teaching students to partner with AI enhances human reasoning.